Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be introducing you guys to Corel Draw page, its tools and what they do. So first I'm taking rectangle tool. Rectangle tool is used to draw shape that has 4 points like rectangle, square and so on. The next one will be pick tool. Pick tool is used to move an object. When you want to move an object, you click on the pick tool, click on your object and drag it. You must always use pick tool after you have used any other tool, so you don't repeat doing what you have done. The next will be shape tool. Shape tool is used to trim an object, to trim unwanted parts or to make it curve. You can use shape tool to convert rectangle to oval shape. If you want to convert rectangle to oval shape, you click on the edge of it and then you drag it. Any of the point of the edge, you just click on it and you drag it, then it will turn to oval. So I want to duplicate the rectangle now, so I can make one oval and the other will remain rectangle. So if you want to duplicate, you click and then drag it, then you right click, or you can simply click on your plus sign on your keyboard. It will be automatically double, then you move one out. So I want one to be oval and the other to remain rectangle. Then the other one, okay, let's go to the line tool. You can see you can use it to draw straight line, you can use it to make curve design depending on your capability. You can use it to make anything you want. You can use it to make drawing, to draw anything at all. So we have now some funny design and then the straight line. Though I'm not making any design, I'm just making introduction into the Corel Draw page, what the tools does. So I'm just introducing you guys to it. Then next video I'm going to make a design. I can make a flyer or calendar, so to show you guys how you can combine your colors to get it to be perfect. On your left hand side we have color palette, so you choose your colors from there. When you want to fill an object with color, you just click on the object and go to your color palette and then you click on it. That's it. Or you want to mixture a color, you go interactive tool, then you make your color, you mix it the way you want it. So I'm going to do that in my next video when I'm giving a design and its colors, how to combine colors. I'm going to do all of that in my next video. But now just focus on the tools, what you can use any of these tools to do. So the next one I'm taking is a line tool. I want to give another line and then give it another pattern and then increase the outline so it can be bolder and then it will be visible enough. So the next will be text tool. Text tool has an alphabet letter A on the toolbar. It has an alphabet letter A on the toolbar. When you click on the text tool, you click on your work page and then you type anything you want to type. You can change the font and then change the font size as well. Make it bigger depending on your design and then add color to it. So let's make my outline. I want to make it bolder and then they change the pattern. At the top you will see the outline, the size, and then the design, the pattern you change, and then you increase the size so you can see what you have done. That is it. Add color to it. When you want to add color to outline, it's right click. You right click and then the color will show. Right click on the color, yeah. So let me fill the oval with color. I click on the oval shape and then click on the color. Okay, we are filling colors now. I want to curve this design. I want to give it some kind shape. I want it to have different shape so it can fit into the rectangle that we have over there. I want to give it a shape, a curvy shape. You know, when you are making a design, you try to make it look different. You try to make it look outstanding. So I want to give you a curved shape to blend into the design that I'm making, though it's not a design actually. It's just trying to give you guys ideas on how to use tool. This shape tool can do so many things. So I'm trying to make this to be curvy so it can blend into the design, the rectangle that I have over there. So I'm going to make it curvy and then add color to it. In case if you are designing, if you make it curvy, you can add a different part of story onto that, and then the body of the design will have different part of story, so it can be attracting. You know, when people look at it, they can see it. It's not something you will be trying to see what's over there. It will be bold enough, it will be outstanding that once you look at it, your eyes will go over there. So this shape, if I'm designing right now, I will be writing something on it. It means the date, the time of the design, you know, the thing that is necessary on the design should be there. So when you look at it, you will see easily. You don't need to force yourself to see it. So I power clip and then put it inside that container, so I edited it. So the next video I will show you guys how to power clip to put object inside another object, so it will blend very well. That's it. So this tool is Paragon tool, but I'm going to use it to make a star. So Paragon tool has 5 points. I'm going to increase this one to 11 points so I can use it to do what I want it to. So I'm making it to be star shape. You use your shape tool to control it. When you click on shape tool, you click on the point of any of them, then you move it whether in or out until you get your desired shape. So after which you can add color if you so wish, and then remove the outline or even make it bolder depending on what you are using it for. Okay, I think I like this color. You know, I always love green colors, but if you click on green and you don't like that particular green, you can click and hold until it displays all the green colors. When you click on the color and hold it, it shows you lighter and thicker color of that exact color, so you choose your desired one. So text tool, you can also use it to type inside box. When you want to type letters inside box, you click on text tool, use it to draw a shape, then you type inside that shape. You can make any shape of your choice, whether or rectangle, square, depending on where you want to place the letters. Just click on text tool, click on your workspace, and then you drag it to get your preferred size. Then you type inside the container. After typing, you can move it to where you desire to keep it. But using this particular way of typing means you are typing a lot of text that needs to be together. So you don't just type it on the surface. You drag the text to draw it, then you type inside the container, so everything will be together. Remember, after you must have done with anything, click on pick tool. Most times people use because they did not change it to pick tool and then ruin their work. Maybe they have finished designing and they are still holding it on pick tool. They won't know when they will click on the job and then drag it, then they have ruined their work. So after you have done with any of the tools, click on pick tool so you don't repeat the same thing. So now I have Artix tool. Artix tool is used to draw bold line. You see? Maybe you want to make a flower shape, or you want to draw a snake or anything straight. Use Artix tool. It's bolder. You can convert it to curve, then use shape tool to shape it to your desired design. Then we have straight line that you use to draw a straight line. You make line. You can add point to your line.